Hello. So in this video, what I'm going to be discussing about and what I'm going to be talking about today is the Uncle Lee's organic green tea at that. And it's with 100 tea bags individually wrapped. And I do have another. Do I still have it in here? I think I had another one that wasn't even considered as. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this over here. So it's 100 tea bags. So you can see I've been really consistent drinking green tea. I love green tea, and it actually comes in one of these little packets like this, and you just flip it open and boom, make some tea. And this is actually I just actually made it not too long ago, so you can see what it looks like when it's brewed and stuff. This is actually 8 ounces of water that's in this styrofoam cup. Normally I drink it out of a tea cup, but it's black and you wouldn't be able to see the color of it or what it looks like when it's brewed. So that's why I got a plastic cup, so you can actually see what it looks like. And it has the adorable Uncle Lee's tea logo and trademark right there on both sides. And again, like I said, it is organic. So just some information about Uncle Lee's tea. He actually do have other types of teas as well. I think this is this the right one? Yeah, this is the one. Okay, so I'm just making sure I had everything I needed. So basically, Uncle Lee's Tea is a North American based tea company, and their manufacturing and distribution network consists of numerous tea factories and more than 1,000 retail stores throughout the regions of Asia and North America. So it's not just, tea is just in North America, it's also in Asia as well. So, and they are the first tea maker to introduce green tea to North American market. And first of all, let me just pause that right there. I know I was going to say and, but so basically, because I didn't know that as well, I just know I've been drinking green tea for a very long time. Like, I drink green tea when I have headaches, when I'm not feeling too good, when I feel like my system is like a little clogged. And I drink it sometimes to curb my hunger. I drink it in the mornings. Sometimes I drink it in the night. Like the last thing that I drink, if I'm drinking anything other than water, green tea. I drink green tea pretty much like every single day, and I probably would say I drink at least more than 3 cups. Okay, let's say, okay, I do drink more than 2 cups. I will say 2 cups. I'm gonna say 3, but that's pretty much the same thing. More than 3, more than 2, whatever. But I'm just gonna say that I drink a good amount of green tea, as you can see. So let me rewind and let me say that again. So this company, Uncle Lee's Tea, okay, they are the first tea makers to introduce green tea to North American market. So they're the first ones that pretty much brought green tea to North America. So yeah, that's amazing. So let me say that again. Okay, they're the first tea maker to introduce green tea to North American market and specialize in the tea manufacturing business for over half a century. So they've been in the tea business for a very long time, and for them to be the first tea makers to introduce green tea to North America's like market, and have it specialized, and that is amazing. Like, I just actually found out when I was like doing further research, Uncle Lee's Tea, and it was like on sale, and it's 100 packets, so tea bags. So I was like, man, let me go ahead and get like 100, so I don't have to keep like getting small boxes, because how much I drink green tea. So anyway, let me describe this. So green tea has like a very fresh aroma to it. First of all, like, I can't really describe what it like I mean, other than it's really fresh, it's not really strong. I think maybe it's because in that styrofoam cup, and normally I can smell a little bit, but nothing like overbearing where it's like, ugh, what is that? But yeah, I mean, and it tastes so fresh. It tastes legitimate. It tastes authentic. It just tastes so good. It doesn't really have like an aftertaste. I mean, if you drink green tea, I mean, you're gonna get green tea. I know there are green teas that do taste different from each other. I've witnessed it before. I've actually seen green teas that look different when it brews. So, but this tea, I'm rocking with it for a very long time, as long as this tea is out there. Now, I have seen other types of green teas that Uncle Lee's have, but I was just gonna do the old, old plain fashionable, just regular organic green tea. You can't go wrong. But yeah, overall, absolutely love this tea. You see that one portion of it is completely gone, so that just shows right there how much I'm like legitimately drinking it. So again, this is the Uncle Lee's tea, organic green tea. You see right there, and I think, yeah, and it gives you like instructions on what you do. I mean, I just put it in the bag and then just brew it for a good minute. And the ingredients, organic green tea leaves. So that's it. So that's amazing. So go ahead and get you some of this lovely tea.